Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Monarch money for your budget and plan finances. So first thing you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Monarch money. That's right, and click on this first website. Okay, then after that, you'd be directed to this website. So what we're going to do here now is to click on the sign up option at the top right of your screen. Okay, and you will be directed to this page. Now you can continue with your Apple, continue with your Google, or just type out your email address right here. That's right, and click on sign up with email. And then a code will be sent to your email, so you just have to paste here the code and then you have to create your password. Okay, and then after that, click on continue. So right here, what brings you to Monarch? So what I'm going to choose is to manage my financial plan or budget, track my income and spending, manage my money with a partner, or track my investment, view all of my finances in one place, and click on continue. Now, how did you hear about Monarch? So just click on YouTube and tell them about yourself. So just put here your full name and then your country of residence. Okay, so currently Monarch is available in USA. So do you manage your own finances with partners? And no. Do you work with the financial professionals? And no. Click on continue. Okay, after that, click on continue. Okay, so you have here reviews from different users. Okay, and then you have here your 7 days free trial. And then click on this box and click on continue. Okay, so here we have different plans, but since we just create this account, we can use the free 7-day trial. Okay, so just put here your card details. Okay, so just make sure that you cancel the plan before the free trial will end. Okay, so click on continue after that. And then here, let's begin by connecting the account where most of your spending happens. So you just have to choose your bank. Okay, and then after that, you have to connect your bank or credit cards right here. But since we are not from USA, okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to put a specific amount. Okay, so right here at the left side of your screen, you have here your account settings, your transaction section, you have your cash flow, okay, the report section, and then your this is your budget section. Okay, so let me just click the next. Then we can now set up our budget. Okay, so you just have to put your credit cards and click on continue. Okay, and then here, does this look right for your monthly income? So yeah, you can add more group right here if you want to. And then of course you have to give this category a name. Okay, so just have to click on this plus icon if you want to add more. And then click on continue after that, and then decide how you'd like to budget. So we have flex budget or category budget. And then right here, you just have to tell them about your expenses. So we have the fixed, so uses when the amount must be paid each month and stays about the same. Okay, so we have non-monthly and flexible. Okay, so if this one looks right for fixed expenses, so you just have to click on continue, but of course you have to put their budget right there. So for the expense frequency, for example, every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, or every year. So for your target amount for the garbage, okay, and then you also have the fitness right here, the loan repayment, fund money, and more. After that, you just have to save your changes and continue. So I'm just going to exit this one. And then let us now go back here on our dashboard. Okay, so here we can create a goal, create a budget, or customize categories. Now let's go to the recurring section. So let's just click on next, click on get started. Okay, so here you can securely connect your credit data, but we're just going to skip this part. Okay, and then if you have goals, you just have to go here and then just click on the get started option. Now, what are your goals in the future? So for example, for savings, you have plans for vacation, for education, retirement, emergency fund, down payment, or wedding. So you just have to select them. Okay, after that, you just have to click on next. And then how do you want to prioritize your goals? So just click on continue, and then how much money do you want to save? So setting targets for your goals can help you stay focused. That's right. So you just put the amount or your target. Okay, and then after that, click on next. Okay, so I think this one is good enough. And which accounts do you want to use to track your goals? Okay, so you just have to add those accounts by clicking on that option and then click on next. Then how much do you currently allocate to each of your goals? So okay, so this one is every month, so this amount will be added to your budget to help you track your progress. So just have to put here your amount per month. So in the last 3 months, your average savings has been $800 per month. So we have for down payment, for car, emergency fund, and savings. After that, just click on next. That's right. Now that they're reviewing your account, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and we have successfully set up our goals right here. Okay, so for the savings, you'll be able to see here our budget, the transactions, and the balances, and of course the details. Now let's go to the investment section in Monarch Money. So this one is designed to help you keep track of all your investment in one place. It shows your current portfolio value, so the performance of your assets and how your investments are growing over time. This makes it easier for you to see where your money is going and how it's working for you without having to log in to multiple accounts. And another purpose of this section is to help you make better financial decisions by seeing all of your investment data together, so you can spot trends, check if you're on track with your goals, and decide if you need to adjust your strategy. So it's a simple way to stay informed and in control of your long-term financial growth. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.